In this video, you're going to practice the sound B in English. You see my mouth, B. So your mouth closes and your lips touch together, B. Okay, the B does not make a sound. For example, at the end of words, job. You don't say job, just job. So you close your mouth, your lips make a seal, job. Okay? So the B has no sound. But if it's at the beginning of words, then the next sound, the next vowel sound, your mouth, your lips push open and go into the vowel. So like, for example, in this video, you will see beer. So the EE is the E. So B. So your lips push into the vowel sound. Beer. So beer. Repeat after me. Beer. Very good. Again, beer. Very good. One more time. Beer. Very good. There's another word in this video is bar. The same thing. The next sound is ah. So your mouth opens. So the B pushes into the vowel sound. Ah. So bar. So repeat after me. Bar. Very good. Again. Bar. Very good. One more time. Bar. Very good. In this video, the two words you will practice the B sound are beer and bar. Both words end with R. So you can practice the R sound. Remember, your tongue does not make contact above. It's bar. So your tongue curls back like this, but never contact. Tongue curls back. Bar. Bar. And beer. Beer. Very good. So practice with me. I drink beer. Very good. I drink beer in the bar. Very good. So now, when you pronounce the B in English, you will always speak with perfect pronunciation. So the vowel sound after the B, you push with the B. Beer, bar, or big, or back. So your lips touch, close your mouth, push out to the next vowel sound. But if it's at the end, there's no sound. Job. I have a job. Do you have a job? I have a job. Do you have a job? Good. So the B doesn't make a sound at the end, only in the beginning or in the middle. Okay? So go to the video and practice. Watch, listen, read, and repeat. Good job. See you in the next video. Click on the link in my bio, and you can start my 30-day program, where every day you will get a video with me showing you one of the 44 sounds in English. How to pronounce it. Copy my mouth using words and then sentences and then a conversation. Every day, a different conversation, a different sound, and different words, including 30 different verbs, where you will start to speak and sound exactly like a native English speaker. See you in the next video.